हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग बीए फोर्थ सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के फर्स्ट यूनिट का टॉपिक इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन में ट्रांसलेशन के एमसीक्यू पढ़ेंगे। शुरू करते हैं। पहला है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग रिटन और स्पोकन कंटेंट फ्रॉम वन लैंग्वेज टू अनदर लैंग्वेज। आंसर है ट्रांसलेशन। दूसरा, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूसिंग translation into English? All the above. To promote multilingualism, to help people understand content in different languages, to eliminate language barrier. All the above. 3 है, what are the two main types of translation? Literal and free translation. Answer क्या है? What is literal translation? A word for word translation without changing the meaning of the content is called literal translation. Which of the following is an example of free translation? ये सारे ही उसकी क्या है, फ्री ट्रांसलेशन के उदाहरण है। जेने सेस कोई ट्रांसलेशन टू आई डोंट नो द वॉट। सी एस ला वाई ट्रांसलेटेड टू डेट्स लाइफ। हास्टा ला विस्टा ट्रांसलेटेड टू सी यू लेटर। ऑल द अबव। व्हाट इज लोकलाइजेशन इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन? The process of adapting content to a specific geographical or cultural region. 7 है, what are the some of the challenges of translation? All the above. Difference in grammar, syntax and vocabulary between languages. Cultural difference that can affect the meaning of content. Technical jargon and specialized terminology. Answer D है इसका, all the above. What are some of the benefits of introducing translation into English? All the above. Improve communication and understanding across language barriers, increase access to information and knowledge, promotion of multilingualism and cultural exchange. 9 है, what is machine translation? Translation performed by computer software is called machine translation. Which 10th, which of the following is an example of a popular machine translation tool? आंसर है गूगल ट्रांसलेट। 11 है, who is the considered the father of translation studies? अर्नेस्ट अगस्ट गच। इसका आंसर है 11 का। 12 है, what was the significance of translation into ancient time? Facilitating communication between culture, preserving and sharing knowledge, both. What is the significance of translation in today's world? Promoting global understanding and cooperation, enable international collaboration and exchange, both. What role does translation play in promoting unity in a multicultural and multilingual society like India? Both. A and B. Encouraging cultural exchange, facilitating communication between different languages and communities. How has translation contributed to the preservation and promotion of diverse culture in India? Both A and B. By translating work of literature, music and other cultural artifacts, by enabling the spread of cultural knowledge and practice. 16. Why is translation important for the business sector in India? Both A and B. To facilitate communication and understanding between business and clients speaking different languages. To enable the growth of international trade and commerce. Both A and B. 17 है, how does translation help in promoting education in India's multilingual society? इसका भी आंसर बोथ एन ए एंड बी. बाय मेकिंग एजुकेशनल मटेरियल्स अवेलेबल इन मल्टीपल लैंग्वेजेस, बाय फैसिलिटेटिंग क्रॉस कल्चरल एक्सचेंज ऑफ नॉलेज एंड आइडियाज़. 18th है, विच लैंग्वेज वाज यूज फॉर ट्रांसलेशन इन एंशिएंट इंडिया? संस्कृत. 19th, हु ट्रांसलेटेड द भगवद गीता इनटू इंग्लिश फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? चार्ल्स विल्किंस. 20 है, which famous Indian writer is known for his translation of Shakespeare's work in Bengali? Rabindranath Tagore. 20 का. 21 है, what was the significance of translation during India's freedom struggle? It helps spread awareness about India's culture and history of the masses. 22. Which Indian language has the largest number of translation published? Hindi. Answer Hindi. Which organization was established in India to promote the translation of literary work? Sahitya Akademi. 23 का साहित्य अकादमी. 24. Who translated the Quran into Urdu for the first time? Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan. 24 का Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Who translated the famous work Ramayana into English? R.K. Narayan. 25 का. 26 है. What was the impact of translation on the Indian literary scene? All the above. 26 का. It helps in preserving and promoting Indian languages. It helps in making foreign literature accessible to Indian readers. It play a crucial role in shaping Indian literature. 27 है. Who was the first Indian to win the Sahitya Akademi Translation Prize? Answer है 27 का B. Rabindranath Tagore. What was the role of translation in the spread of Indian culture and ideas beyond India's border? Both A and B. It helps to make Indian culture and ideas accessible to people across the world. It played a key role in promoting Indian literature in other countries. What importance has translation had on political discourse in India's multilingual society? इसका भी आंसर है both A and B. Enabling communication and understanding between different political groups. Second है promoting national unity by facilitating the spread of ideas and information. 30 है what is the significance of translation for preserving India's rich cultural heritage? इसका आंसर भी both A and B. By making traditional text and artifacts accessible to a wider audience. Second by allowing the continuation of cultural practices across generation. Both A and B. 30 का. 31. How has translation played a role in India's struggle for independence? Both A and B. By separating ideas and information about independence movement. दूसरा है by enabling communication between independence leaders from different linguistic background. Both A and B. 32 है what impact has translation had on promoting scientific research in India multilingual society? इसका भी both A and B है by making scientific information accessible to researchers from different linguistic background by facilitating international collaboration in scientific research. 33 what role does translation play in promoting tourism in India? इसका both and A and B. By making tourist information available in multiple languages. Second by enabling communication between tourists and local communities. 34 how has translation contributed to the development of India's media and entertainment industry? इसका भी both A and B. By making media content accessible to wider audience by facilitating cross cultural exchange of idea and story. 35 है who is known for his translation of the Tamil epic Silappatikaram into English? Silappatikaram in English. A.K. Ramanujan. 36 which Indian language has the largest number of literary work translated into English? Bengali. 36 का. 37 who was the first Indian to receive the prestigious PEN Translation Prize? A.K. Ramanujan. 37 का. 38 what is the significance of translation in modern India? इसका all the above. First, it helps in promoting multiculturalism and multilingualism in the country. Second, it helps in bridging the gap between different linguistic and cultural communities. It plays a key role in international diplomacy and business. All the above. Who is known for his translation of the Tamil poet Bharatyar verse in English? A.K. Ramanujan. 39 का. 40 which famous Indian writer is known for his translation of Urdu poetry into English? Bikram Seth. 41 what is the significance of translation in the field of education in India? All the above. It helps in making education more accessible to students who are not proficient in the language of instruction. It promotes language learning and multiculturalism among students. It helps in making educational materials available to students across the country. All the above. Who translated the famous work Mahabharata into English? William Buck. 42 का. 43. What is the significance of translation in a multicultural society like India? All the above. It helps to bridge the gap between different languages and cultures. It promotes a sense of unity and understanding among people. Third, it helps to preserve and promote the diversity of India's cultural heritage. 44. Which Indian language was used as the lingua franca by the Mughals and British in India? Persian. 44. Who is known as the father of modern Indian literature? Bharatendu Harishchandra. 45. 46 है. Which translation theory emphasizes the importance of the target language and culture? Answer B. Target oriented translation theory. 47. Who was the first Indian woman to translate Quran into English? Begum Aisha Sultana. 48. Which Indian writer was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1930 for his collection of poems Gitanjali? Rabindranath Tagore. 48 का. 49 है. Which ancient Indian text was translated into Arabic and then into Latin and had a significant impact on medieval European philosophy? Upanishads. B. 50 है. Who is the author of the book The Empire Writes Back Theory and Practice in Post-Colonial Literature? Salman Rushdie. 50 का. 51 है. Which Indian language has the largest number of translation of the Quran? Bengali. 51 का. 52 है. Which Indian state has a rich tradition of translation dating back to the 6th century CE when Buddhist monks translated texts from Sanskrit in their native language? Tamil Nadu. B. Who is considered the first professional translator in India, having worked for the British East India Company in the late 18th century, early 19th century? 53 का. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. 54 है. What is the significance of translation in India Constitution, which recognizes 22 official languages and encourages the promotion of all Indian languages? All the above. It helps to ensure that all citizens have access to important legal and governmental documents in their native language. It promotes the cultural diversity and inclusivity of India. It recognizes the importance of language in the preservation and promotion of India's heritage. All the above. 54 का. 55 है. Who was the first translator of the Quran in the Malayalam language? Sheikh Ali Haji. 56. Which Indian language has the largest number of translations of the Bible? Hindi. 57. Who is considered one of the greatest translators of Sanskrit literature into English, having translated works such as the Ramayana and the Mahabharata? 57 का. Ralph T.H. Griffith. 58. What is the significance of the Indian National Translation Mission launched in 2008, which aims to promote the translation of important literary and scientific works into Indian languages? All the above. It helps to bridge the gap between different regions and cultures between India. Second, it promotes the preservation and promotes the India's cultural heritage. Third is it helps to make important knowledge and information accessible to people in their native language. 59 है. Who was the first Indian to receive the Sahitya Akademi Translation Prize, awarded annually to outstanding translation of Indian literature into other languages? A.K. Ramanujan. Answer 59 का. Which Indian writer and translator was awarded the Padma Shri in 2021 for his contribution to the fields of literary and translation? Arunava Sinha. 61 है. What is the significance of the Jaipur Literature Festival, which has featured numerous panels and discussions on translation and has helped to bring attention in the importance of translation in Indian literature? Answer all the above? D. First, it helps to promote the visibility of Indian literature and its many languages. Second, it promotes a sense of unity and understanding among people from different regions and culture within India. Third है, it helps to showcase the rich cultural heritage of India. आज की वीडियो हम लोग यहीं समाप्त करेंगे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक करें। धन्यवाद।